Hello to all. Today I want to show you how to use the Dynamic Content for Elementor plugin in conjunction with WooCommerce to present our products through a timeline. First, we open our page. Then we insert the dynamic post widget. Instead of articles, we put products. To take this example, as you can see, I created 5 products in WooCommerce with the jerseys of the 5 national teams that have won the last 5 FIFA World Cups. Now in the Render tab, instead of grid, we select Timeline. As you can see, the meshes are placed one under the other. For this example, we select that the order is increasing and save. After saving, let's adjust the graphic aspect of our timeline. In addition to the product title, in this case Brazil 2002, I want you to see the product description and the button Read More. In the Layout tab, we select that the content is visible. As you see, the description of the product has appeared. As I said, we also show the button Read More. Here it appeared, also the button Read More. Now let's go to resize the images. For this example, we choose 150 by 150 thumbnail and give a size of 350. I think it's okay. Let's save it. We continue to adjust the graphic aspect of our timeline and go on the Style tab. Changes have the following values: line width values 5, row 35, content 35. The width is okay with 130 and position X 30. The size of the arrow we make 15 so that it increases a little, and save. Okay, now let's go to insert a wow animation. In this case, fade in can be fine. After that, I want to adjust the graphic aspect of our content. Tab Style. I start from the title. I change the colour with dark grey. I change the font by putting Neato. The weight rises to 700. I think this is okay. The next step is to go and edit our Read More button by turning it into the call to action Buy Now and changing the appearance of the button. First, change the button aspect by making it nice green by changing colour in the white text and putting it bigger. Now we change the text with the words Read More in Buy Now. To do so, we have to go to the Content tab and then Read More button and modify. Let's go see the timeline preview. There is still something that doesn't convince me, and it is the arrow in our description of the content points to an empty space and not to the shirt. So let's go back to editing. Tab Style and then tab Image. In this field, we must enter a negative value to raise the arrow. As you can see, -100 is fine because the arrow points in the direction of our shirt. In the preview, we see that now in the description, the arrow points directly to the shirt. When we scroll down, there is the fade-in effect that we have set. We press the button or we end up on the product sheet where you can add it to the cart and buy it. In my opinion, this is a very nice way to present your products through a timeline generated with the dynamic content for Elementor. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next tutorial.